straight off the truck. So repairable write-off, broken mirror, gone, a few scratches down here on the fairing, clean up alright, pretty dusty. Light scratching down on the front fairing down here, scratches down on the plastic cover, a little bit on the fork at the bottom, real light scratching on that side panel, probably just needs a cut and polish, a slight nick in that clutch cover there, bit of dirt, a bit more dirt, a little bit of dirt, a little bit of dirt, a bit of dirt, and tank's a bit bent, but stickers on top, so once it's pulled it should be quite easy to fix. And fires up, runs mid, and it's fucking loud.